everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you a very cute and cool way to make a candy corn, because that's another design for Halloween, and this was my first attempt, so it's okay, and I know you may say, oh Cecilia, but show us this. Yeah, but I'm going to show you the one that I think is going to be much faster and cuter, and it's kind of fun to make too. So it's this. Yeah, what do you think? I don't know. You tell me in the comments which one do you prefer. But the thing is, when you play with the colors of whatever you want to make, it's going to help. So you playing with yellow, orange, and white. So that's kind of my intention. And I think for some reason I like this side, okay, that with this way. But this technique is pretty much a weaving, and then look, I'm passing the balloon that way. This one, it's more easier, I think, and that's what I want after all, right? So remember, the front for me is the most important. The back is not that important. This is the back. I don't pay attention much to the back because for me it's picture time that way, and that's what it is. So let's start it. It's a 3 balloon design, so look for your yellow, white, and orange. Now they can be scraps, of course, you know, it's not that hard, right? When you imagine a candy corn, yeah, that might be easy. So you don't need even to inflate much the balloon. Probably something like 8-9 finger tail each is gonna be good enough, okay? And probably the white even less, because you know it's just a little bit. So, and let's go with the yellow. So again, the idea of this design, it's a line twisting design. There's a lot of different ways how to start or where to start, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the yellow, then orange, and then white. Okay, so let's start it. So look, you just make 3 finger loop, twist, another 3 finger loop, and you can make really as many as you want. The more probably it's better, because you want that to be wider. So this time, instead of just 5, I'm gonna go and make 6, and let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, but you can just only make 5, and that's gonna be good enough. It's gonna be totally fine. Okay, so we have something like this, 6 petal. With this, it's gonna kind of help us to kind of give us a base where we're gonna go around. Okay, now in a moment this will, you know, disappear, or what we can do, that will be another, you know, version, because there's another different ways. But I like the idea to keep something here to build the candy corn, you know, around this balloon here. So that's kind of what is my intention. So that's what I'm gonna do it that way. Okay, then if it's easier for you, go ahead and try with the white. Okay, but in my case, I think it's faster this way. I don't know, you tell me in the comments too, or learn somewhere by watching what I'm doing, and you find a fastest way, please try to share it in the comments. So then you just grab the other color, that is going to be orange. I'm going to start with 2 pinch twists because it's much easier for me. But you can just don't even make a pinch twist if you don't want. Just make things for me more stable. Okay, and then you just pass it around. So the first time you just pass it around, normal, pass it around. It's already getting, you know, the shape you want, a little bit triangle. This one, it's, you know, so that's kind of my intention. And just pass around the pinch twist, and then make another small bubble, like exactly 1 finger, and then another 1 finger bubble, twist. Okay, and this one, squish, stretch, because you don't want it that much, and actually you want to make a little bit more pressure when you go around the yellow, a little bit more pressure. Yes, so then it looks more, you know, skinnier, because you wanted this to be, you know, going in an angle a little bit like this, making a little pyramid, something like that, like a cone, right? It's a cone. Okay, so then you have this, and now this orange, you can already cut it. If you want, you can make another pinch twist. So you start with 2 pinch twists, and you can end up with 2 pinch twists if you want. And what it's gonna help just to make things more stable. Now with this, you can cut, okay, and that's it, tie it. Okay, I think now it's part of the white. And the good thing is the white that you already is just a little bit here, the white, but it can also help to be the bracelet. That's why from here, look, I'm gonna close it here. Look what this is something interesting I'm gonna be doing. Look, you close it there, exactly, and a little bit less. And then you make sure you have your black balloon, you pass it around there, you tie it. So that means you cut this, you tie it there, and then make like 3 or 4, no more, finger bubble, another 3 or 4, twist together, twist, 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 and all this, pretty soon you're gonna lose the air. That's it. Yep. And if you want, and this is optional, you can pass it around. Look, you can pass it around, and then make sure this is twist, and this piece is gonna pass all the way down, and from the front, because here is already connected. Now here is gonna make some pressure to put all this together, but you're gonna pass the white balloon. So the white balloon, you're gonna pass it all the way to here. Look, all the way there, and just pull. With practice, and you know already what we are doing, it's going to be much easier. So you just pull this, pass it, make some pressure, pull, pass it around this part, and then you still have enough strength here to grab the end, puff some air, and then grab the end. You know, this is what I do. Grab the end, pull that part, and that part is going to also pass around. So then you have enough for a bracelet. And that's it. Do you think this design can be great for what is line twisting? I totally think so. And I think it's really cute, right? It's perfect for Halloween. It's the next, you know, it's the candy corn. Now, I already made before candy corns. Check it out. But it's a little bit more detailed because I decided to make some arms and legs, you know, and the face, and all that takes time. Now, if you want to be fast, just like this, it's a pretty cool way to interpret. Like for me, what is the word that I always use? It's an interpretation. It's what is the word? I forgot. But you know what I mean. You know, it's a representation. Yes, I'm representing a candy corn this way. I think it's cute. I love it. Now I'm gonna show you the side so you kind of figure it out. Oh, okay, I see. I got it. That balloon Y260 is like 4-finger bubble, another 4-finger bubble, twist. You can tie it to the yellow that is connecting this, and then make sure the rest of the white, that's kind of the trick about this design, it can go all the way from this part, this front, not to the back, to the front. So that's gonna make things more like tape. It's like taped there. Now, the cool thing about this design, if you look at this, yes, they can be an ice cream cone. Yeah, you can have different flavor ice cream cone, and here just a brown. The way that I show you, very easy and simple. Loop, loop, pinch twist maybe, or 3 loops with the brown and a long 6-finger long bubble. And this you have a very cute way to make a candy corn ice cream cone. That will be fun, right? But I think this is an ice cream cone bracelet. I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Now, you can add something else. It can be the face. Sometimes, you know, when you add a face and a smiley face, it's like, make things more cute, right? It's like a kawaii idea to add some faces. So it can be as simple as you want. You can even add stickers. If you have stickers, this is the time to use. Any type of stickers can be nice. I also have these stickers here. And you can always, you know, add the stickers. Little ones especially like the stickers. I'm going to add these stickers. It says eyes, sticker eyes. And we're going to see how it looks. Pium, pium. Where I'm eyes, I put it in this layer level of orange. And then the smiley face, the smiley mouth, just very simple. You can make this much more elaborated, but look, just like this. What else can make anything cuter is the cheeks. That's why pink or hot pink or whatever you have close to hot pink, and that's it. And then this is the candy corn with a face. Again, this is optional, doesn't have to be with a face. It's gonna save you time if you just do the balloon twisting, that's it. But for the picture especially, you know. So I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments what do you think. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and please check it out below in the description of all my videos. You will find ideas how to collaborate with this channel, because it's thanks to your collaboration that this channel can be much better. Really, I will appreciate, your support, your tips, to my Venmo, my PayPal account, sending more balloons, sending markers, because the thing is, all those things, I use it and it helps me, with my job. Oh, one more thing, because we are here, I went to Walmart because I saw the message, the post that Teresa Kovar, she's a balloon twister, she lives in Nebraska, and she posted on Facebook that on Walmart they are selling these cool Christmas ornaments, balloon animals. And before it used to be the balloon dogs, and my friend Vivian, Grandma V, she made out of these Christmas ornaments, she made the earrings that I wear that are super shiny. So I went and I bought this, and I'm crossing fingers. I hope after Christmas, when things are much cheaper from Christmas, this also gets cheaper. But just in case, I bought this. So next time I see Grandma V, I'm gonna ask her to make earrings for me again. Because I wish I knew, maybe it's not that hard. Maybe I can try, but I don't know how to make earrings. But there's a way that using the Christmas ornaments, you can find it at Walmart, you can make earrings, okay? So think about that, because every time I wear those shiny earrings, they're super light, and people say, oh, I love your earrings, I love it. So that is cool. Thank you all for watching the videos, and I'm going now, and I'm waiting, the videos to when they are too long. The only problem is taking forever, and I don't know what is going on in my house, but the internet is very slow right now, so I don't know when you will gonna see this video. So crossing fingers, but there it goes. Have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.